Hello and welcome to the Chop Busters. Today we're checking out 20 new woodworking tools you can order online to make your projects easier, faster, and more precise. Heavy lumber blade. The Ultra-Shear 36-tooth heavy lumber blade is built for the Festool Capex to cut thick, dense stock with ease. It delivers smooth, splinter-free results on 2x material, clears the kerf efficiently, and resists burning. The second negative hook angle reduces chip out and prevents self-feeding, making it perfect for softwoods and hardwoods over 1 inch thick. Oscillating edge sander. The oscillating edge sander smooths doors, panels, and trim without burn marks or burnout. With adjustable tables, a tilting platen, and variable speed belt, sanding becomes fast, precise, and even enjoyable. Built tough for durability, it's the reliable shop partner woodworkers love almost as much as their morning coffee, just less jittery. Mitre Saw. The heavy-duty high-performance Mitre Saw delivers lasting accuracy and effortless cuts on thick workpieces. Its bright LED job light keeps the line clear, while detachable supports and long travel extensions handle materials of any size. Powered by a robust motor, it tackles tough cuts with ease. Perfect for pros who demand precision without the drama. Ultra-Shear plywood size bits. Ultra-Shear plywood size bits deliver precise dados and grooves by matching true dimensions of domestic and European plywood. Offered in both inch and metric sizes, they ensure accurate, snug cuts where nominal dimensions vary. Equally effective on MDF and MDO panels, these versatile bits give professionals the precision they need without the guesswork. Double-edged saw. The double-edged saw is a Japanese pull saw that cuts on the pull stroke for lighter, more controlled work and clean edges. Crafted in Japan from high-quality steel, it excels at rip and cross cuts. It's a 9.5-inch blade, just 0.02 inches thick, features dual edges with 9 and 15 TPI. Pocket Jig 400. The Milescraft Pocket Jig 400 makes creating professional quality pocket holes easy. Its solid aluminum construction and durable steel drill guides provide accuracy and long-lasting performance. The adjustable toggle clamp ensures perfect pressure for different board thicknesses, while the convenient storage drawer holds bits, drivers, and depth stops with markings for quick setup. KSC60. Lightweight yet powerful, the KSC60 cordless sliding compound miter saw is built for precision on the go. With miter angles up to 60 degrees and bevels up to 47 degrees each side, it cuts boards, panels, trims, and timber with ease. A twin-column guide and brushless ECTEC motor deliver smooth, wobble-free performance. Sander pads. These 5-inch orbital sander pads offer multiple hardness options, including soft, medium, and hard foam, for cutting, finishing, and polishing a variety of surfaces. The set includes 80 sanding discs ranging from 40 to 600 grit, along with soft interface pads for better maneuverability and reduced risk of material burning. Magnetic wristband. The magnetic wristband is a versatile tool organizer designed for DIYers, handymen, and professionals. Embedded with 10 strong magnets, it securely holds screws, nails, bolts, washers, and drill bits within easy reach. It offers comfort and rugged performance for home improvement, carpentry, auto repair, and other projects. One-hand clamp. The easy one-hand clamp is perfect for small or delicate workpieces, repairs, and gluing tasks. Its innovative pump mechanism allows up to 90 kilograms of clamping force with a single hand, while the ergonomic handle and narrow grip make operation effortless. Large rubberized clamping surfaces distribute pressure gently, and a V-profile groove securely holds round materials. Bosch Polisher. Power meets precision with the Bosch Professional Polisher. Its 1,100-watt motor, 6-speed settings, and soft start delivers smooth, controlled polishing. Weighing just 2.1 kilograms, it minimizes vibration and noise, while a lock-on button ensures fatigue-free operation. An optimized cooling system adds durability, making it a reliable, efficient choice for professional polishing projects. Carbide Scraper. The Bates Carbide Scraper is a durable tool for efficient cleaning, scraping, and material removal. Featuring a tungsten steel blade and aluminum alloy head, it offers long-lasting wear resistance. An ergonomic thermoplastic rubber handle ensures a secure, comfortable grip, making detailed work easier and reducing hand fatigue. Air filter. Compact and lightweight at 22 pounds, the air filter fits the Systainer 3M 437 format. It delivers up to 400 CFM, circulating air in rooms up to 613 square feet for 3 full air changes per hour. 2 adjustable airflow levels and smart 3-direction dispersion ensure efficient dust control, keeping your workspace clean and comfortable. Oscillating drum sander. The oscillating drum sander combines efficiency and precision for flawless sanding results. Its 5-inch oscillating drum minimizes clogging and heat buildup, while dual sanding modes allow control for figured or delicate woods. Powered by a 1-horsepower motor with a variable speed conveyor, it delivers consistent performance with adjustable feed speed and precise depth control. Drywall sander. The drywall sander lights the way with an all-around LED ring, highlighting uneven surfaces while its eccentric sanding motion ensures scratch-free results. Adjustable suction reduces arm and back strain, and the ergonomic T-handle with extendable length improves reach and comfort. Its durable, maintenance-free brushless EC motor makes sanding walls and ceilings efficient and easy. Razor Blade Scraper Tool. Is scraping made easy with the Razor Blade Scraper Tool, made in the USA. It tackles stickers, adhesives, labels, and glue on cars, metal, plastic, glass, tile, and ceramic surfaces. Comes with 5 stainless steel replacement blades, a blade guard with a large knob, and an ergonomic design for safe, precise, comfortable use. Impact Drill Driver. Compact yet powerful, the Bosch Professional Cordless. Impact Drill/Driver excels in tight spaces. Its 175mm design, brushless motor, and 65 Newton-meter torque handle drilling and screw driving in wood, metal, plastic, and masonry. Built-in kickback control enhances safety, and dual LED work lights ensure clear visibility in dark or confined areas for precise, reliable work. Woodworking Apron. The UUP Heavy Duty. Woodworking Apron is made from 20-ounce waxed canvas, offering water, oil, and dirt resistance with durable double stitching, brass grommets, and rivets. It features 9 tool pockets, including a chest pocket, hammer loop, and a magnetic pocket for screws, nails, and bolts, keeping tools organized and accessible. Vevor Bench Vise. Built tough, the Vevor Bench Vise is forged from 60,000 PSY ductile iron with a rust-resistant powder coat. Replaceable serrated carbon steel jaws deliver up to 4,496 pounds of clamping force. With a 6.57-inch jaw width, 6.5-inch forward, and 9.3-inch reverse openings, 3.5-inch throat, and a 2.8 by 3-inch anvil, it's versatile and reliable. Portamate Mobile Base Kit. The Portamate Mobile Base Kit supports up to 400 pounds, making it ideal for moving table saws, bandsaws, and workbenches. It attaches easily to standard 3/4-inch plywood to create a custom base and features a quick lock wheel system with 3-inch casters for stable, reliable mobility. That's it for today's list. We hope you found a tool or two to upgrade your workshop. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.